Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to add trees to 3ds Max without consuming your GPU memory. So all to do now, just wait. Alright, so I'm going to explain more about AEC Extended. So most of you guys use AEC Extended to add foliage like trees and vegetation. But the thing is that if you use AEC Extended and duplicate the trees and the vegetation, then it will increase the risk of lag since these trees, these high resolution trees consume most of your memory. So the most efficient way to add trees to your project and also vegetation would be adding the trees from the plane. Like, yeah, also not just use the plane instead. So make sure, so after using standard surface, like changing everything to standard surface, since I'm using Arnold right now, I should not just go to bitmap. Like, select the tree you want, which is tree 1, and select the same thing to the opacity cutout section. Make sure the trees match, and I'm gonna talk about opacity cutout first. So for the opacity cutout, don't click anything aside from this. I mean, don't click anything related to noise, and disable the mirror tile to prevent any rendering issues. And make sure the mono channel output is alpha. And for the opacity section, make sure the RGB channel output is alpha gray. Alright, there you go. Got one. Then go to base color and click alpha for the mono channel output also. But for the RGB, don't ever click it. It will generate problems for rendering. Alright, you got the tree texture, and it's time for me to render. Alright, looks like the tree is realistically rendered, and it might look like as if the tree is created from scratch, but this tree is basically taken from PNG, and this is something that I use to render projects with trees in a more simple and efficient way. And that's all for now. That's all for the video where I upload trees to 3ds Max without consuming the memory, like in the smartest and most efficient way, and the most professional way using Arnold. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. And I hope this video helps you in speeding up the process of your work in 3ds Max. Alright, bye!